I'm James Estep. I'm Senior Vice President and Market Executive at John Marshall Bank. We're a local community bank serving businesses and residents in DC, Maryland, and Northern Virginia. I'm a lifelong Metro DC resident, and I've been a lender for over 18 years. So what does it mean to be a community bank? It means making decisions locally, knowing our markets and our niches in the DC metro area better than our competitors, many of which are making decisions out of the area, around the country, lending money, managing deposits, providing financial advice, things that are benefiting the community, being a part of local organizations that are making positive impact on the region, and supporting our clients, being patients in practices, volunteering as coaches, anything that we can do to positively impact our region is part of being a community bank. Our team of medical practice experts understand the unique intricacies of running your practice. As the head of our healthcare banking team, I work with some of the largest practices in the area, but I've also provided startup financing to practices like the one I'm sitting at today. Whether that's an SBA loan, a 504 loan, a conventional loan, no matter what the situation or the size of the practice, we're likely to have helped guide a client through a similar set of circumstances. Things don't always go as planned, so it's imperative to have a local community lender like John Marshall Bank that can work with you in good times and in bad. Our healthcare clients are assigned a dedicated banking team that includes an experienced lender, a lending assistant, a portfolio manager, a branch manager, and a treasury management officer. So our team will assist you with onboarding your new relationship with us, manage your banking needs through the business life cycle. With John Marshall Bank, there's no 1-800 numbers. Our clients text us and call us on our cell phones and our direct lines. And we know healthcare providers are busy, so we do everything we can to accommodate their schedules. We have 8 conveniently located branches around the Metro DC area, a robust online banking system, and a platform that gives you full access to the JMB experience from the luxury of your home or your office, your practice, really wherever you are. We understand healthcare practice banking requires maximum flexibility. Every type of healthcare practice is different. The needs of one specialty practice may not be the same as another. For instance, a veterinarian, a physician, and a dentist might be paid differently. But a general dentist and a periodontist might also be paid differently, even though they are both dentists. So rather than forcing a client to choose between 1 or 2 canned products, we listen to the client's situation and then develop financing options all along the way, allowing the client to be part of the process. Maybe that means an interest-only period during the beginning of a loan to allow a practice to stabilize before making principal payments. That might also mean a longer than typical amortization period to free up cash flow. When it comes to our pricing philosophy, healthcare banking is extraordinarily competitive, and we know we must be aggressive to attract and retain low-risk, A-credit healthcare clients. So while rates have been on the rise, we do our absolute best to minimize our loan rates and to keep our fees and our costs low. On the deposit side, our interest rates are definitely market leading. We have many different products paying substantially more interest rates than you will earn at other banks. And I think it's very important to mention that unlike many of our healthcare lender competitors who are just interested in a transaction, we're full service bankers, meaning we can manage both the business and the personal banking needs of a client. We're offering extremely attractive consumer loan products, all underwritten and managed in-house. I think that's very important to our doctor clients who might have trouble obtaining financing due to their self-employment status. It can be incredibly difficult, and we try to manage the process and make it easy as possible for our clients. As a healthcare provider, you will work tirelessly going to school, internships, training, more school, treating patients, and building your dream practice. Now is the time to stop trusting banks that look at you as a transaction. At John Marshall Bank, let us upgrade your total banking experience. and start working with bankers that always keep your best interest in mind. My ask is that you stop for a moment and think about your current banking relationship. Do you have a banker you love? Do you have a seasoned banker you trust, managing relationship, looking after your best interest? Does your banker have expertise working in the healthcare industry? Are you able to easily communicate with your banker? Is your bank able to customize products specifically to your needs? Is your bank helping your employees out? If the answer to any of these or all of these is no, it's time to give us a call.